Good morning, it's Big Mimi, and today I will be eating. Well, this morning I will be eating fruit. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna get straight into it. So what I have is some honeydew, some cantaloupe, and I have grapes. And I'll just begin eating. Mm, 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 mm. And you have to eat it when it's cold. That's going to be so good. Oh my god. Mm, 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 mm. And make sure you guys come follow me on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. My name is black underscore girl underscore Mimi. You might even see Big Mimi, because that's what I go by. Mm, 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 mm. And I'm just going to stop talking. I'm just going to eat. Mmm, so juicy. Mmm, mmm, mmm. God damn. I ain't chewed this much in a long time. My goddamn jaws hurt. Hold on now, shit. Mmm. 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 Mmm.